Everyone, it's Connie from Thoughts of Treasures. Today we're going to be using these little wood pieces, these little stems, and I know you could have got them from your backyard, but I did buy them at the Dollar Tree. The leaves and this little sunflower and some twine and some Waverly pumpkin paint. So what we're actually going to be making here is a trio of pumpkins using these 2x2s, I think they're called. They're just rustic lumber that you can just pick up at this hardware store. I got mine at Lowe's. Just going to give them all a good coating of the Waverly pumpkin, all three pieces, and you can make them as bright as you want or as dull as you want. I did end up putting a little antique wax on mine and roughing them up a little bit, or give them that more rustic technique or rustic look to it. And then once we get them all completed, oh, we still got one more to go. So if you guys are really inspired by doing that or making one of these, you are more than welcome to put them on my Thoughts to Treasures Crafty Friends group page. It's free to join, so please come join us. So there we go. We got some wood glue that I'm going to be using and some hot glue. The wood glue will give it a longer adhere. The hot glue gives it a quick fix. So I'm going to do the same thing. We put the two side by side and the other one's going to go in the front. It's actually worked out good, not on purpose because I was trying to aim to have them all level. However, the one in front kind of had an angled top to it, and I was okay with that. I liked the look it gave actually more than together. So we glued the sticks on for the stems of the pumpkin, and we're just going to take our twine to give it the look of that's what's holding it together. And again, you can wrap it 2 times, 1 time, as many times as you want. There's again no rhyme or reason to this. It's just what depends on how you want it to look. So I wrapped it like 4 or 5, 6 times. I don't know. Maybe 10. I didn't even count. I just wrapped until I felt it was right. And that little thing I'm holding it down with is from the Dollar Tree. It's a silicone stopper or a makeup thing. I don't know what you use it for in makeup, but it's good. And then I added a little green leaf. I did have that little orange leaf, but I didn't think it looked good with it. So, and this is what it turned out to look like. If you guys are inspired by this, I would love for you to join our page and follow along for more crafting ideas.